Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix DirectX error in Modern Warfare II Warzone. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step of update DirectX. Content DirectX is a collection of apps crucial for running many games including Modern Warfare II and Warzone. Outdated DirectX versions are a common cause of errors to update. Visit the official Microsoft DirectX end user runtimes website. Download the latest version appropriate for your Windows operating system to bit or for bit and install it. Ensure your computer restarts after the installation is complete. If prompted to do so during the installation process, choose the option to fully overwrite any existing DirectX installations.
Step update graphics drivers. Content your graphics card. Drivers are equally critical for game performance and stability. Outdated or corrupted drivers frequently cause DirectX errors. Navigate to the support section of your graphics card manufacturer's website, NVIDIA and/or Intel. Find your specific graphics card model and download the latest driver version. Uninstall your current drivers using the manufacturer's provided utility or Windows Device Manager before installing the new ones. Reboot your computer following the driver installation. Step the verify game files. Content Modern Warfare II and Warzone utilize a file verification system to ensure all game files are intact and present. Launch the Battle.net or Steam Clean depending on your game platform. Look at Modern Warfare II Warzone in your game library. Access the game settings or options menu. Look for a Scan and Repair or Verify Game Files option. Run this utility, allowing it to check the integrity of the game files. This process may take some time depending on your internet connection speed and the size of the game. Step reinstall the game content. If the previous steps fail to resolve the DirectX error, a complete game reinstallation might be necessary. Uninstall Modern Warfare II Warzone from your computer. Delete any remaining game files or folders in the installation directory, ensuring to completely remove all traces of the game. Restart your computer, then download and install the game again from your original game platform, Battle.net or Steam. This method ensures a fresh installation with no corrupted files. Step run as administrator. Content. Sometimes insufficient permissions can prevent the game from accessing necessary resources. Right-click on the game's executable file, usually found in the game's installation directory. Select Properties from the context menu. Navigate to the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Save the changes and launch the game. This grants the game elevated privileges, potentially resolving the error.